What I hate is when I check the phone and the man combo, you have to respect privacy. Sir, you were talking about skinning out this girl pan that this way talking about respecting privacy.
Checking your partner's phone.
Ah, those were the days. I
You
used
check
to
phone?
I used to that not let me tell you. I have a sixth sense about things. If somebody cheating, I gonna know. Or if them I think about cheat, I gonna know. I hardly check phone, but every time I have checked a phone, it's been spot on. So now if I have the feeling, I'm not even check the phone. It done right there, so come and know say it I go right. So I'm not gonna traumatize myself with the messages. I just know that the feeling coupled with whatever else is happening in
Yeah.
a relationship can validate what's in my mind. And I know you guys are gonna think that's delusional, but honest to God, if every single time you check a phone, you're right. After a time, you just stop to check the phone.
You know, me never ever check a phone yet.
Why? Because you think you're so great. Who could cheat on you? You think, oh my God, I'm so awesome. She could never.
I like to respect people's privacy.
Good for you. Good for you. No, but this thing is too. What I hate is when I check the phone and the man combo, you have to respect privacy. Sir, you were talking about skinning out this girl pan that this way talking about respecting privacy.